Hey guys, welcome back to a new YouTube video. This video is a special one because we're actually introducing a new project that we're starting today. It's a 1996 Toyota Tacoma, 5-speed manual, just the 4-cylinder. I've got two of these cars. This one has the good engine, but you can just tell behind me that it's completely totaled. Then I have one with a clean title with a bad engine. So I'm sure you guys can put two together. We're swapping this engine into that engine. So first we gotta pull this engine out. So this video is just all about us pulling out this engine, seeing how long it can take because it's pretty simple. You can tell that this thing was in a pretty good wreck, but the engine's all good, still runs and drives. We're having a little issue with going to gear, but we'll figure that out when we get there. But yeah, it's pretty simple, not a lot of stuff in the way. We're probably gonna take this hood off and go from there. So yeah, so right now we're pulling out the little radiator support because it's really cramped in here. So we got the Bobcat and the chain, and I'm gonna put my foot on the brake and see if this pulls up the radiator support. Okay, I got my foot on the brake. Okay, it's pulling it. Oh, there you go. I would not recommend this to anyone at home. This is really unsafe, but yeah, we're all set. So let's see if it did exactly what we wanted to do. Oh. He wants to do some more. We're gonna do it right in the middle now. So I gotta go in here, put my foot on the brake. Pulling right in the middle. There you go. Ooh, he's really pulling it. Oh, he's pulling me now. Oh my god, I just saw the entire frame of the car just come to an arrow. Okay. Yep. That's gonna give us a little more room. Yep. I already took out the radiator bolt, so this thing can almost come right out, I believe. There might be a little more things on it. Yeah, it's got this one radiator support right here. I can take out. We'll cut back to some more. Quick little update video. We took out the radiator. You can see the nose is all completely just ripped open. I'm going ahead and removing all the engine wiring harness, and we got the AC compressor lines off. Got a couple of other plugs under the intake and all that. Batteries out. Alternator's disconnected. We're slowly chipping away with the engine harness, and now we're going to lift it up, get a couple more plugs, and this engine should be ready to be pulled out. So yeah, we got the engine harness out. We can go the whole engine harness out right here, just kind of push up to the side, and now this is getting ready to start unbolting the engine mounts. The transmission mount is already unbolted, and we'll get that out, and we'll use the Bobcat to lift up the engine out of here. Everything looks in on hooks. We'll find out anything else is still hooked in when we start pulling the engine out. So yeah, we'll cut to that. So yeah, we're pretty much at the point where the engine won't come out. The only thing that's left is the exhaust. And right now I have to heat up the exhaust to get the bolts off. Yeah, take it. So yeah. Dude, these are wicked rusty, so we have to heat them up, become loose, and we can, you know, take them off again. So yeah, so I'll cut to when the engine's actually being pulled out. Okay, so we got the engine all hooked up, and we're gonna be pulling it out. So yeah, and that's to hold the camera, and then we're just gonna tuck it out. Here she comes. Hold on, we're gonna make sure we're not catching it. Bring the jack back. Pull it back a little bit. It's catching on something, so we got to drop it a little bit and pull it forward. Okay. Now try to pull it forward a little bit. Lift it up a little bit, Lance. Lift it up? Yeah. All right, try to pull a little bit now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, hold on a sec. I gotta put the jack underneath it and lift up the back of the train. So yeah, it looks like the transmission is being caught up on the trans tunnel. So we're gonna have to jack up the back end of the trans and then pull it up from there, and then it should be all set. So yeah, I'll cut to when its engine's in the air. And I can show you around the engine and show you all the different parts of it. I'll cut to that. Okay, we're back. So you can tell that there's no longer an engine and transmission in this thing, and it's actually right behind me. The exhaust was proven to be a pain, and also the shifter right here was getting caught in the trans tunnel, so it took a little longer than we expected, but it's out now. So this car can go down to the junkyard, and this engine transmission will stay here in the garage until I can get the other one out. But yeah, I'll just give you a little walk around of the engine. That huge exhaust was, it's just such a wide exhaust that it was getting caught up on, the engine mount and all that. It's all out. And soon it will be in the other white truck that I have down there. I'll introduce you guys to that truck once I have that video going. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna be the end of this video. This video was pretty much just like, pulling out the engine, kind of just like keeping a little track of it, I guess, and all that. I do apologize I don't have any time-lapse videos of us doing this, because it took a good amount of time, and I'm getting lazy with the editing, so I'll just do little quick updates and all that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.